welcome back to Deep Creek Ironworks. What are we working on today? We're gonna build this guy right here. All right, go to work.
However, we brought the World Cup to the United States and we're tremendous success. But once it's really nice here, that's when we have to go into the process. We're tremendous. Because I saw a bunch of people in there. And rather than think the other thing that can happen, we know. But the fact that the United States pulled this off, still is the greatest of Americans in the world.
Well, folks, that's going to do it for our guy right here. Hope you all enjoyed it. This guy will soon be for sale on my Etsy page. Brand new Etsy page. I only have a few items listed. It's only been up for a few days. So check me out over there. Let me know what you think. I'll be Deep Creek Ironworks US on Etsy. And so, yeah, I think that'll do it. I'm fixing to go in and put my achy bones up. All this rain we've had last couple of days got my old beat up farming bones a little cranky right now. So until next time, folks, y'all take care. And is the life you're living for worth Jesus dying for? Until next time.